Welcome! In today's video, we'll be exploring how to verify your X account, formerly known as Twitter, using your phone number. Verifying your phone number adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps you recover it if needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch the X app on your Android device. Begin by opening the X app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your account settings. Step 2. Tap your profile icon. Once the app is open, look for your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. Tap on Settings and Support. Then tap Settings and Privacy. In the menu, scroll down and select Settings and Support. Then, tap on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 4. Select Your Account. Now, find and select the option labeled Your Account. This will lead you to the section where you can manage your account details. Step 5. Tap Account Information. In this section, look for Account Information. Here, you can add or update your phone number, which is essential for verification. By following these steps, you'll be able to add your phone number and initiate the verification process. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to check the help section within the app.